Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to find gas using GasBuddy. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to find gas using GasBuddy. How do you actually go ahead and find gas? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to use this app, just to make sure the correct app that we're talking about is GasBuddy right over here. You're going to open it up. Then you can either click on Find Gas in the bottom left-hand corner, and it's going to show you the nearest gas stations based on deal and distance. So you can see here that there's one at Conoco, which is 467, and it's only less than a mile away. Now you can go ahead and filter different options as far as which one's the best price, which one's the closest, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find gas using GasBuddy. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.